Good morning all of you. Today we are going to study maths and the topic is what comes after. After means बाद में, comes means आता है, what means क्या, means बाद में क्या आता है, किसके बाद में. These are numbers, okay, and what comes after these numbers. ये नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, इन नंबर्स के बाद क्या आता है उसे हम लोगों को यहाँ लिखना है. ओके, here it is written 0 and it is well understood that after 0 what comes 1. ये हम अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि 0 के बाद क्या आता है 1. तो we will write here what 1. We will write here 1. Now it is 5. It is 5. Then how we know that what is coming after 5? For this we will start counting. हम ये कैसे जानेंगे कि 5 के बाद क्या आ रहा है. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, काउंटिंग. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What comes after 5? 6. What? 6. Then we will write here 6. We will write here 6. It means 6 comes after 5. Okay? This is number 7. Now what will come after 7? Start again counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What comes? 8. After 7 8 is coming. After 7 8 is coming. Then we can say that 8 comes after 7. Okay, this is number 2. It is number 2. Then what will come? 1 2 3. What is coming? 3. Here we have to write 3. 3 comes after 2. 3 2 के बाद आता है. Okay. Here 4. Again this is the problem. What will come after 4? Again counting. 1 2 3 4 5. What is coming? 5. What we have to write? Number 5. We will write here number 5. It means 5 comes after 4. Here number 1. After 1 what comes? 1 2. What is coming? 2. 1 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? 2. Then what we have to write? यहाँ हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 2. We will write here 2. Okay. It is number 6. What is coming after 6? What comes after 6? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. What is coming? 7. Here what have to write? 7. 7 comes after 6. 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. Let's revise. 0 1. 1 comes after 0. 5 6. 6 comes after 5. 7 8. 8 comes after 7. 2 3. 3 comes after 2. 4 5. 5 comes after 4. 1 2. 2 comes after 1. 6 7. 7 comes after 6. Okay. Now come to this column. Here written 11. What is it? It is 11. Now what will come after 11? Let's count from 11. 11 12. What is coming? 12. क्या आ रहा है? 12. तो हम लोग यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? 1 2 12. 12 comes after 11. 12 11 के बाद आता है. ओके. 16 16. What will come after 16? Let's count from 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Then what is coming after 16? 17. We have to write here 17. 17 comes after 16. 17 16 के बाद आता है. Here 19. What is this? This is 19. Again we will have to count. फिर से हम लोगों को काउंट करना पड़ेगा. Start 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. What is coming after 19? 20. 20 comes after 19. 20 comes after 19. 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20. Here 1, 3, 13. What will come after 13? Again counting 11, 12, 13, 14. Here we have to write 14. 1, 4, 14. 14 comes after 13. 13 के बाद 14 आता है. Here 10. It is 10. 10 के बाद क्या आएगा? What comes after 10? 10, 11. What is coming? 11. We have to write here 1, 1, 11. Here written 8. It is 8. What will come after 8? Then from which number we will count? We will count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then comes 9. What have to write? हम लोगों को क्या लिखना है? We have to write 9. 9 comes after 8. 8 के बाद 9 आता है. Here 17. It is number 17. Then what will come after 17? कहाँ से काउंट करेंगे? 11 से. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. What is coming? 18 is coming. Here we will write the number 1, 8, 18. 18 comes after 17. We will revise this column again. 11, 12. 12 comes after 11. 16, 17. 17 comes after 16. 20, 19 means 20 comes after 19. 13, 14 means 14 comes after 13. 10, 11. 11 comes after 10. 8, 9. 9 comes after 8. 17, 18. 18 comes after 17. Then you have to write this topic, what comes after, in your maths copy in good handwriting. Okay class? Thank you.